Hello guys and welcome back to another video. It is only 5:13. Today I will be showing you how you guys can create your own merchandise from Spreadshirt.com. First of all, you want to get to here. I'll actually just start over. I'll show you guys how it works. So you gotta go to Spreadshirt.com. It'll bring you to this first part here. And you guys can go to sell and you press start selling now. Then it says sell in marketplace or open your own t-shirt store. So you have to go to that t-shirt store. Yeah, and it'll bring you here to your designs. You guys probably don't know what Canusa is. It's basically Canada vs. USA games. I will be there, and because I'm one of those, I'm in the the 10 and under league, and I'm playing soccer, so I'm going to Canusa games in 2018. So, anyways, first you gotta go to upload more designs. You gotta browse. You gotta press browse. Then you take a photo or video. Let's just take a picture from right here, and so basically, sorry. Then you press use photo, and it will upload the image. It says complete, and it'll pop up. Press that. And it'll bring you here. And you basically just go to every one. These were for another video that I didn't have it put on my channel yet. I might, but you can change the size. You can move it around, but you cannot bring it outside this red box because it will not work. So you basically just go over here and you can design size, and you once you pick your own size, you just do that. It's basically how it works. I am actually going to go through every single one of those. It might take a little while, so you guys can go get some snacks. And while I get this done, it's really fun. Even though it takes a while. You guys can leave in the comments below how fun this is. Very fun. I have not gotten, I haven't sold any merch yet, so if you guys can buy some merch for me, that'll be great. You guys just type. So if you want to check out my newest design, it's the Canusa one. You just go to, you say Canusa, all caps, CAN USA, because Canada versus USA. I think I already did this one. Okay. Also when you press it, I didn't say anything so it'll bring you, so when you press, open your own t-shirt store, you actually have to register. It'll say some stuff, and if you want to make a shop as well, you can do that. The funnest part is actually like you can actually go to your own shop, which makes it really fun because you can make your shop go online. And yeah, your shop can go online. Say hi, Brielle.
Hi.
Yeah, so she's with me. You guys can't see her because I'm doing the. Actually, I'll just. Okay, the sweatshirts don't really matter because they're sweatshirts. Ow. Ow, Brielle's slapping me.
He slapped his butt.
Yeah, he slapped my booty. Okay, and then she poked him. Stop it. Okay, calm down.
Happy. He got his shirt.
Yeah, so I have a design. It is called I put it in my shop. Sorry, I zoomed in.
Oh, no.
Zoom that out. Okay. I'll make that a little smaller. So that's basically how it works. When I'm done, I will. Sorry if the video ends early. So I might not. Just make it to 100%, but you have to. It can't be exactly at the top. I'll just make it as big as you want. You can even make it about that big, but you won't be able to see the actual design. So I usually make them smaller, but it's just for a video. Nice and real. I'm not gonna make it long. This is how I make all my designs, guys. So once you're done with that, you go to next. So hit next. Get off of me. And it'll bring you to here, and you can name the design. So I'll just call this Owen. Off of me.
Sitting on your.
Go away. Owen. Owen. Okay, that's basically it. And you press next. Brielle's killing me. Okay, and it'll bring you here. You can sell it on Marketplace and in your shops. And you go to next. And it'll bring you here. You can set the design price. I'll just go for free. And once you got that done, you press create.
Crunchy mouth.
Okay, and yeah, so basically, once the design is done, you can go to your shop and you press preview.
Crunchy mouth. Crunch.
And it's just titled Owen, and it'll pop up.
Owen.
So it's just how it works.
Crunch.
You should have.
No.
Stop it. Sorry, Brielle's attacking me. So. Yeah, so basically.
Monkey!
Freeze, chill.
Monkey!
So that's basically how it works. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, never miss a video. Send help. I'm RKOing Brielle right now. You guys can't see this.
Hi everyone, I'm Monkey.
Okay, and you can go to your design and
Say hi to Monkey.
also you can press
Say hi. Say hi to
that,
Monkey.
that shop. Hi Monkey.
Bye bye.
And it'll bring you to sales channels. And you can go to my shop. Well, this is my shop right now, and you press visit shop. So just wait for it loading. Okay, and here's the thing.
Monkey! Monkey sees a mouse.
So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to never miss a video. I'll